A quick video of the orchids after yesterday's rain. These vandas I picked up from the orchid show. I had the others, so this one I picked up, and this one I had. This gladiolus. Okay, I moved the orchids to the original position because I tried to experiment with a new location, but they were getting too much of sun, so they are back to their original position. So the dendrobiums are at the bottom, and then there's an oncidium, and the phalaenopsis are at the back. This one again, this big one, this one with big spikes, this is what I picked up from the orchid show. Then I have this as well, tolumnias, and then this is my compactum, which grew and even bloomed on the ground, so I've now moved it into this terracotta pot. These are the non-blooming ones mostly. And you can see these peacock flowers in the background. Not many roses, and a bunch of them which you can see all the petals down on the floor. This whole thing was full of roses. Now it's gone. Now this is the coral vine, which is blooming quite a bit. This one is growing crazily. I have one paneer pink rose here. This is the vinca, which I grew from seed, and it blooms all the time. And then some more roses here. Not many roses blooming actually. And this is these are my orchids in the front. Okay, again more oncidiums, more phalaenopsis. These have been there with me for a while. This tolumnia I picked up at the orchid show. Blooming tolumnia. Okay, that's it.